What's up guys, hope you're doing well. Today we'll have another look into the SUI price chart to see if the price target that I have mentioned in the last video of $6.32 until the 11th of October is still active. We will also have a look into what levels should we watch out for. So let's get straight into this. First of all, what we can see right here is that the breakout that has activated our price target right here seems to be, I will just move that a little bit and zoom in, seems to be like a fake out, because we had a daily candle close above this that has activated the price target, but right afterwards we have fallen back below. But the good news is that so far we still have the chance of hitting this price target in the time window, and let me tell you why. Because we had a correction, but this level right here, so I have presented that to you in the last video, this support level at $3.30, that is the level that we didn't want it to see get broken, because this would have been the invalidation point for this price target, because this is the 50% level, you can see it right here, the 50% level of this whole move. And if we have a daily candle close below this level, so a significant daily candle close below this level, then this price target would have been invalidated. Just from the balance of probability, it is just not likely then that we are hitting this. Right now we have bounced off of this support level, even got a little bit above the next, in this case then it was a resistance level, jumped back down, and right now we are moving back up. So there is one thing that I'm looking out for, and that is that we have a break of structure. And how do we get this is by the following. So we have here a move to the upside, a move to the downside with a lower low, then we have a bounce, then another retest. And how do we get the break of structure? We get this if we break this high right here and make a higher close than this high right here. Then we have a break of structure. This would be our first bullish confirmation. I mean, we have some slight bullish confirmations here with the bounce, with the move to the upside, then the retest was higher, and also we found support right here at a higher support level. This is from the trend line right here. It seems like we have found support here, but we are not in the clear yet. So we still are waiting for, first of all, a daily candle close above this resistance level that we have touched today. But the most important thing is that first of all we get a break of structure, so we get a daily candle close above this high right here. So that would be the first bullish confirmation for me. Then obviously, to keep this price target right here alive, we want to see that we are entering this rectangle right here and making a daily candle close above the breakout level until the half of the rectangle, so until the 3rd of September. If we do not do this, then also from the balance of probabilities, this price target is invalid. So that are the two things that I'm looking out for. And then to the downside, we have I would say a support area right here where we have touched this area multiple times. So that would be this one right here. So this would be the next downside target right here. Of course, this is something that we do not necessarily want to see, just if we want to get a better entry. But right now I also judge this as the lower probability scenario, because in Bitcoin, you know, altcoins most likely follow Bitcoin, and in Bitcoin we did the retest of the breakout level, and right now it seems like we are moving higher. But also here we are waiting for a daily candle close above this resistance level right here. And if we do this, then likely we will also do this in altcoins and also in SUI, and that is why we are basically waiting for, first of all, a confirmation in Bitcoin, and also here in SUI a break of structure of this recent high right here. And if we get that, then it looks very good, and then potentially we also have a very solid entry right here that is giving us a lot of upside of, yeah, let's say 75%, and a small downside of just, yeah, let's say 12%, something like this. So this could be a very nice setup that we then are seeing right here. But first of all, we need to leave this area right here. Let me mark this in black. That is the area that we want to leave, and then we have a better picture of what is likely to happen next. And in case that should happen, you know that I will upload another video, so make sure to subscribe to this channel. Also, if you have any questions or any other cryptos you want me to have a look at, feel free to post it down in the comments. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.